right, so I have a little something here, a little something from PIDZOOM. This is the wireless LED strobe light. I think I paid like under 30 bucks for this. Usually PIDZOOM, when they put a new product out, they put it for half price first, and then we buy it up, and then they sell it full price. I have the wrist guards. I haven't really used them yet. They're not bad. They're dope. I just use a full, I'm using a glove. So I haven't used them yet. But the dope thing is this glove doesn't have wrist protection, and these fit right under these gloves. What are the features? We have remote control, up to 120 hours of battery life, 1 frequency, many lights, 8 colors, 10 flashing modes. Ha! All right, this is Fresh Bones from Coffee Run. Team Coffee Run, folks. We have a race October 12th. Just to remind you, tickets will be on sale this week. Anyway, so we have, let's see what we got. Well, first of all, they gave us these slots that the lights slide into, 4 of them. And my phone keeps ringing, so let's dead that. Check that text. What is this text for? Whatever. Anyway, so we got these. It's got 3M on the back, but I'm probably not going to use the 3M. I'm going to use Velcro so that I can remove these and put them on my other wheel. All right, what do we have? We have the button remote, which I wonder if it'll make my alarm go off. Nope. I don't know where the remote to my PIDZOOM alarm. I have the PIDZOOM alarm too. I don't know where the remote is. I need to hook all that stuff up. But anyway, here's this. And then we have some rubber. I don't know what these are, but that's interesting. I'll figure it out later, but they're rubber. And we have Velcro. Cool. So I'll use these. Now let's see the light. Let's pull out one of these lights. Let's see here. Okay. We get green and red, orange, I guess that's yellow, green, blue flicker, purple, white, red. Okay, sweet. How you turn it off? Probably hold it. Let's try that. Yep. And there you have it. And it comes with 4 of them. Pack comes with 4. That's what I was worried about. Like, does it come with 1 or 4? I asked that question on your Facebook page and nobody answered me. PIDZOOM, answer your people's questions, please. And that's it. Freshbonestudio.com. Get that Coffee Run t-shirts. Peace out.